Hi, I'm Mackenzie Sorich, founder of View Ridge Family Law and Estate Planning. And today I'm going to be talking about the hidden costs of serving as a representative of an estate, also known as an executor of an estate in a probate matter, when you do not have legal counsel. There are many pitfalls that you can fall into during this process. So let me give you a few tips. So one of the biggest hidden costs to serving as an executor or personal representative without an attorney to help you is that you can cause personal liability for yourself. If you mismanage an asset or mistakenly give away property to someone who shouldn't receive it, you can be held responsible for that mistake, even if it was totally innocent and unintentional. That means you have to cover the cost of the mistake. The next hidden cost that I see is that your inexperience in the probate process can lead to it taking much longer and taking more money and frustration than it needs to. For example, do you know how to publish notice to unknown creditors? Do you know how long that needs to happen for? Do you know how to deal with known creditors and how to make creditor claims go away? These are all things you probably don't know. But that's exactly the reason why you want to work with an experienced probate attorney who can take care of these things for you. So the next hidden cost that I see when people handle a probate on their own without an attorney is that they don't know how to properly close the probate. There are a number of steps that must be met in a certain way, and it can trigger additional hearings and additional time if you don't do it just right. If you use an attorney, they may be able to eliminate unnecessary hearings and make the process run quicker so that you save money and time for all the people who are going to benefit from the estate. The last hidden mistake that I see commonly happen when people do not use a probate attorney is that they give away money to the wrong people, or they forget to do a final step, and then they're in a whole lot of trouble. It's very difficult to get money back if you've given it away, and you're going to be responsible for that mistake. Or if you didn't do the closing procedure correctly, you may have to reopen the probate and cause a great deal more cost and time for everybody. So instead of getting yourself into this sort of position, I recommend that any executor or personal representative have an experienced probate attorney help them with the process. If you need help, just give us a call.